Hello everyone. Today is Father's Day and I hope everyone is having a good day. I picked this up yesterday at Publix, of all places. Probably nothing in it worth the money that I paid. I think it was like 12 bucks. Says it's 4 times the value and 40 cards. So we're gonna crack this open today and see what we get. A little bit difficult to open it up. Let's see what we get here. Try not to make it crinkle so much in the camera. Pretty big stack of cards. This ought to be interesting. A token. That's kind of that. 2 tokens. 3 tokens. Yeah, this is definitely a little upsetting. So far, I'm not even sure what these sets are coming from. Let's see here. Land. There's Battlefield Tap. Yep. Blooming Sand. I guess all of our rares are going to be towards the end. So for a little insight, I have made this channel to tell some of my story about how magic has helped me with my depression, my dyslexia, my social anxiety. So far it has helped me out tremendously. I have a great group of friends in my community that has helped me with all of that. Coming from someone who does a lot of solo gaming and whatnot, I've had a hard time with any kind of social group. It's gave me enough courage to create this channel, and it even gave me enough courage to go to MagicCon. Huge group of people. I had a super blast. One rare. Okay, so out of that pack, this was the only rare. That's okay. I had to play the game, you know. I had to give it a shot. It was really tempting. So, to make up for that, let's see what rares we get out of this. Have a little Father's Day luck and finally get that bitter bloom that we have been trying to get so long, so much for so long. Let's see what we get. Love this art, which this was like the poster art for this set. Come on, bitter bloom. Bitter bloom. Mythic. And our shiny. Land. Token. Alright. Well, that's that. So I hope everybody has a good holiday. Thanks for chiming into my video. Don't forget to do a little LSS, like, share, and subscribe. My goal is to grow this channel to hopefully one day become an ambassador for Magic, which would be super awesome. And let's keep gaming.